Thank you for tuning back in. My name is Max Kavanaugh, and today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful Harris 250 Grand Mariner right behind me. We're starting off on the exterior, and look how elegant this boat looks. You will have the midnight blue exterior with the platinum silver accent. The platinum silver accent has a little sparkle in it, so when the sun hits it, it really shines and pops. This beautiful modern design in the front end here, it looks sharp. This boat will stand out on the water. As we move back, this boat does have a tower on it. It's the Ion Tower, so there's RGB lighting within that tower. You can pick and choose your color. It's a really cool way to customize your boat when you're on the water. You'll see the Grand Mariner logo here, very sharp. As we move back towards the back of the boat, you have the stainless steel ski tow bar up top there. And you can tow your skiers, your tubers, and your wakeboarders from that point. Now, this 250 Grand Mariner is optioned out with the Mercury 350 Verado 4-stroke engine. A lot of power. You can have a lot of fun on this boat with this engine power plant. Now, let's go take a peek at the interior of this 250 Grand Mariner. We have made our way into the interior of this Harris 250 Grand Mariner, and this is equipped with the CWDH, the center walkthrough dual helm seat layout. And it's very nicely laid out. You have a lot of space up in the bow. You have the pillow top furniture in moonlight gray with the midnight blue accent, and it looks really slick. All the stitching, the embroidered Harris logos up in the seats, really well appointed, really well done. You have the center storage compartment in the floor too, so you can store lots of things in there too. Up in the bow, you'll notice cup holders, 4 on each side with a little tray in the middle. You can put your keys or your phone in there when you go to jump off into the lake. As we make our way back here, you'll notice the dual helm seats now, port and starboard. Looking at the helm, you have the raised helm, dual SIMRAD screens, and those SIMRAD screens, you can control the RGB lighting within the boat, which is really cool too. You're gonna have the JL head unit, the nice premium steering wheel. Your throttle's off to your right with some physical buttons too. Very nicely done, very well constructed. It feels very luxurious. Over at your co-captain's chair here, wireless charging right here. 2 cup holders with USB ports as well, so you can stay connected to your phone. Lots of nice things that they added in this boat for convenience. As we make our way back, again, the center walkthrough all the way through is nice. You don't feel cramped. You feel like there's a lot of space on this 250 Grand Mariner. You'll see on the port side here, batteries underneath these 2 seats here. You're gonna have storage and these cup holders that do flip down that are also can be used as an armrest. So again, storage behind the seats here. So lots of storage here when I open up this seat. Same thing on this side too. Opens up. You actually have a garbage can on this side, so really easy to access. Throw your trash in there. Underneath the seats back here as well, you're gonna have more storage. They're all on supported hinges, so you don't have to pick up a seat and move it somewhere. It's really easy to get access underneath the seats. Storage trays on each side with 2 cup holders again. You have JL audio speakers throughout this entire boat, so the sound is going to be phenomenal. Okay, two more cup holders that are stainless steel in the back here, and that really rounds out this entire interior of the Harris 250 Grand Mariner. It's very well appointed. It's very luxurious feeling. You won't be disappointed. Again, guys, this Harris 250 Grand Mariner is located at our MarineMax Rogers location. I encourage you to come in or give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out. Thank you.